Saturday I'll be running some errands, and I said, you know what, let me just take you guys along with me. So journey with me to Halfway Tree to run errands. Oh, and I'm also getting my glasses today. See, girl is a four-eyed freak now. Oh, no offense, but I'm not a fan of glasses, especially with these masks. Oh my god. So yeah, just journey with me and let's see where the day takes us. So that's Reliable Couriers. Trying to get some packages. What happened? I thought you were laughing at me. Yes, it's called vlogging. I don't know if you want to be on the vlog, you can say hi. Reliable Couriers. Big up Reliable Couriers. I mean, I get the best rates here, so free promo. Here at Sun Island to get some t-shirts, so let's see what they have today. Alright, so we're here in Sun Island and I'm trying to find some t-shirts today. Hopefully I can. Hi, afternoon. Looking some extra large white t-shirts.
How many?
3. That was fast. You guys must know Sun Island. They sell like t-shirts, Jamaican inspired shirts as well. So you have some nice ones over here. The same bolt. These are nice. Love this one. This is really nice. I might get something for myself, but I'm a bit busy today. I have a pack day, so I'm just gonna get these and I'm gonna head out. So I am at Quartz. Yeah, well, I'm in Quartz now. I'm actually going to Quartz Optical to pick up my glasses. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever wearing glasses. I heard that I needed it ages ago, but let's see. So much clear. You like it? Oh, look. It look nice. It look nice actually.
I like our glasses, yeah.
But it feels weird. I feel dizzy. Am I supposed to feel like this?
You might feel like to wear that first because you're not used to the prescription.
Okay.
Usually it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get adjusted. Of continuous wear.
Oh my god, but everything seems so much nicer now. Can't believe I've been missing out. Love it. So I waste some money. Favorite place, which is Pablo's. Is where I shop for fabric most of the times. So let's go. Gordon, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Need spandex today. spandex to make some swimsuits for my new collection, guys. Look out for it. It's more of like a garden theme. I'm going for bright colors such as oranges and yellows. Them can't hear me, but I think them can hear me.
I don't think they can.
I'm okay to take off the mask. So I'm actually back home. I didn't get a chance to close out the vlog because today was just so tiring. It even began to rain afterwards. So I just wanted to say thank you for journeying with me today. It was so much fun. I'm in love with my shirt from Couture clothing. You can check them out. They have some really nice tees, hoodies, you name it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye.